Hey guys, thanks for checking out the podcast. Before we get started, I want to remind you about the very cool bucket list trip I am doing in 2026, the Smitty Learns Irish podcast, where I'm going to do my bucket list, hike Ireland for a year, learn about Irish history, town by town, through the mouths of the pub owners and regulars. Because what's a better way to learn about something you love than to experience it yourself? Patreon.com/we3Smiths, only $3 a month, and thanks for checking it out. And welcome to the Rock Radar. My name is Smitty from the What the Hell Everything podcast. Another reaction in my quest through space to open rock and roll minds, including my own. So, getting back to Mr. Bungle today. And real quick, before we get into the reaction, just a heads up. My planned reaction to the debut album from Mr. Bungle was done, and I'm a fucking idiot, and I accidentally deleted the file forever and ever, including cleaning out the recycle bin, and I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. But here's the thing. I did do and pawned this album off on my friends for my Rock and Roll Roundtable album review podcast, where we started doing reaction reviews for full albums, and I gave them Mr. Bungle. This should be up on Patreon soon, depending on when you're watching this. It might actually be up there right now, but here's a clip of that album reaction review from the Rock and Roll Roundtable, Season 3, Episode 1.
Now we're back to the casino.
Nope, never mind. This album had so many jump scares in it for me when I listened to it. Yeah.
It's literally a nightmare.
So there you go again. It might be up now, or it might be about to be posted. So, you guys, we're going to get into something from the California album from Mr. Bungle. Have not, as far as I know, heard anything from that album. I'm wondering how weird is it going to be compared to the Mr. Bungle debut. This is from 1999. From experimental, to put it lightly, rock band Mr. Bungle. Air-conditioned Nightmare. First time hearing it. It is the live version. Where from? Not sure. That is not included in the description on the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. It helps this journey and any other creator or reactor or whatever that you're digging. Please like and subscribe their stuff too. It absolutely goes a long way. You guys, let's get into Mr. Bungle. Air-conditioned Nightmare. I do love live fucking Mike Patton too. Anytime you bust out the fucking castanets. Is that what that is? Castanets? Am I saying that right? Probably not. Spoiler alert, I have to play another quick again. No, I won't. I'll just tell you what happened on the album reaction. Spoiler alert for Mr. Bungle. My friends go, Michael and December, they're like, they play live? They do all this shit live? This weird as fuck thing live? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, it's still weird as fuck, you know, in a really good way, I must add. The general consensus listening to the first album essentially was, it sounds like someone with ADHD. It sounds like a fucking nightmare. through a circus that Rob Zombie should do a movie about. It's still weird in this case. The talent level is off the fucking hook. So they're bringing the weird. It's a different kind of weird, though. It's not the evil, demented circus vibe. It is a little bit different, but still Mr. Bungle.
From the skyscrapers down to the submarines.
It's just anything you could fucking imagine. I said it many times during the album reaction for Mr. Bungle. It's like you got an idea? Yeah, throw it in. You know what I mean? And it's all, as fucking weird as it is, it's all quality. But that's what it's like. It's like, just come up with the weirdest fucking ideas ever. And everybody's got about 16 ideas for each song. And they pull them all off fucking well, too. It's just...
The pound the iron heart of sea. Walking on air from the wheels of suicide. That might as well. Walking outside.
Man.
So comfortable here in the sun. Where's my halo? There's my halo. Dankeschön.
It's so funny, like, I always think about, like, people that don't listen to weird music, really, necessarily, and you play them something like this, and they'd be like, what the fuck is this? What are they doing? What kind of fucking song is this? And that makes me, that amuses me. Just that idea. As always, weird and quality, fucking Mike Patton, what a vocalist. The rhythm section, the castanets, the whole thing, man. Mr. Bungle. Mr. fucking Bungle. Again, watch for that full album reaction review from the Rock and Roll Roundtable hitting Patreon soon, or maybe already up on Patreon. And consider liking and subscribing and all the things. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.
What the hell, everything?